Yeah, what's going on, boys? Got another trade recap for today. Took one trade, ended up losing, unfortunately. Today was one of those days where I should have. Holy shit, nah, don't do this to me. Today was one of those days where I should have just walked away. Um, but it is what it is. I saw my setup, I liked it. So much draws, so many draws lower, and I remember thinking this guy's dumb after this big rip up. This was a Trump tweet. And yeah, ES ended up taking out all time highs, but then we ended up falling back into the range. I wanted to see all this low resistance liquidity get taken, which it might. Maybe my stop should have gone at this high, but we'll see. Um, yeah, so let's get into it. High time frame bias coming in to 9:30. So my bias was flipping around a little bit, just being reactive to price, which is fine. So actually, let's open up the Discord real quick. Real quick, real quick, real quick. God damn, my computer's being slow. All right. So, coming into the day, I said we have every reason to be bullish. ES traded down into the new week opening gap, which is what I was targeting yesterday. Well, the overall draw for the trade idea. NQ failed to get down there and also failed to take the high time frame draws on liquidity, so we had a bullish SMT. On top of that, NQ is holding the 4-hour BISI and the 1-hour market structure shift to confirm the high time frame draw on liquidity is higher. Want to see the 1-hour market make a buy model continue to play out. As for shorts, I need to see this 15-minute BISI get ran through to target the low resistance liquidity resting inside the 4-hour BISI. So, everything I just said there, let's go over. All right. So, we can see that the 1 hour is in this buy model right now. We just have, well, just start of the buy model, shift above the high. We're reacting bullish out these gaps. Want to see all time highs. Zooming into a 15-minute chart, everything's looking good. Up until the point this 50-minute gets ran through. So this was basically my condition on the day. So if we zoom out to a 4-hour chart, we have this 4-hour fair value gap that is getting respected. Okay, and then let's zoom in to a 5-minute. As we can see, pre-market lows. We just stacked them up through here. So I wanted to see this if we get ran through in that 15. So let's play price out. First 50 minutes, we run through it. Want to see a pullback to the 5-minute, and we end up getting ran through, and then Trump news comes out. At this point, we have a huge SMT at all-time highs. If my chart wants to fucking load. We have a huge SMT at all-time highs. We've traded back into this 1-hour SIBI. And we've also taken out this 1-hour internal buy-side liquidity. So this framework looks pretty good, right? Move up, we come down, trade up into the PD array, and then 1-minute structure back down. So zooming into a 1-minute chart. Oh my god, my computer. Come on, bro. Alright. After this happens, I want to see market at least rebalance a fair bit. We end up then getting nice displacement through that. Really like this. Pull back to the 1-minute. I'm in short. Edge the stop loss here. We end up trading back down. And then we get chopped up through this. And then prices where it's at now, we're just chopping. So, coming into the future, how can I do better from this? Well, after Trump news comes out, and we've already taken out all-time highs on ES, I can anticipate some chop work. So, yeah, got chopped up today. Unfortunate is what it is. I was considering longs down here, but I didn't like it just because of all these lows that are getting stacked up. Because we had the shift and the pullback, so I liked longs, but at the same time, no, I'm not trading against this. And on top of that, that 15-minute was just, it was just looking like this was juicy. But yeah, man, is what it is. We are done for the day. P&L, here we are. Minus $1,199, pretty much $1,200. So that's all good. We're still up, I mean, a considerable amount this week. So yeah, we'll just see what tomorrow brings. And yeah, done for the day. Time to chill out, and yeah, we'll see you boys tomorrow for another trade or market recap.